Hello, I'm Aleya from ToleratedCinematics.com, and today a rather simple tutorial, but you have to know how to do it. So we're going to see how to reveal text on pass-by, just like this. Alright, here I have my footage. If you want to download the exact same footage, you can do so with the link in the description. I will drag this into a new composition. This is just HD, so I just took the size down so it's easier to transfer, and it's also a little bit faster to work with. So I'm here, right, walking, minding my own business, and I want to reveal a title while I pass by. So I will click on my text tool, write something right here, so tolerated. Open it up and change it to a bold Lato font right here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to add something like cinematics below, center out my text and make this light, and smaller and a little bit wider. Okay, there we go. And position this below my text. Okay, so I have tolerated cinematics right here. I want to center this out. And there we go. And I want to reveal this while I pass by. So I will drag it a little bit down here so I have myself entirely in the shot. And I will go to the beginning of that spot right here. And I will click on my pen tool, and then right behind me, so I'm going to move like right here when I'm almost passing the text. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to just create a simple mask. I'm going to start here and draw something like so. And close my mask down. Press M on the keyboard and click on the mask stopwatch right here. Hold shift and press the page down key to move 10 frames. And then all I'm going to do is press V on the keyboard to get my selection tool, select these keys here, and just move them in the exact same spot on my body right here. And then I'm going to just tweak it a little bit where needed. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but there we go. It's looking pretty decent. Again, we can select all these keys and drag them here. And that way we are revealing our text. So I'm going to do this for the entire shot. And then you can also watch in between if everything goes fine. So we can do something like a few tweaks right here. We can see that it's not completely fitting. And then go into in between for all of these keyframes so you can check if everything is in place. Alright, and there we go. It's actually that simple to reveal your text on pass-by. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.